Hey there, Betta Babes. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is one that just makes my heart burst with happiness because it is all about my Australian Shepherd, Clark, and me and my husband taking him on a trip to PETSMART to pick out a toy for being such a good boy. Wink, wink. This video was very impromptu. I know I just recently posted a PetSmart vlog, but this is different because this is all about my little boy and his journey around PetSmart and choosing a toy. And like I said, the footage is absolutely adorable. So if you are interested in seeing an extra adorable puppy pick out a toy from PetSmart, then keep on watching today's video.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So if you can even hear me out of all this crinkling, he loves this toy, you guys. He has been obsessed with it since the minute we brought it in. He is obsessed. Like, and it's like as big as him. It is so sweet. Okay, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was short and sweet. Like I said, this was so impromptu. We really didn't even know we were gonna do it. We just got the idea all of a sudden to pack Clark up and to go ahead and go to PetSmart and let him do that to treat him because we thought it would be fun and cute. Honestly, it's not like he really knew what we were doing there. I mean, he was just excited to be there, to be honest. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Of course, I want to say thank you to my patrons as always. Jeremy, Maddie, Davis, Mercy, Janae, Casey, Vicky, Cass, Natalie, Abby, Jessica, Steven. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for being patrons. It truly means the world to me. If you guys want to be a patron, the link will be in the description box down below. It helps me out so much and you guys get a lot of awesome perks with it as well, so it's definitely worth checking out. And other than that, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, which you can do by hitting my face right up there, and you can watch another one of my videos by clicking right over here. Also, make sure to subscribe to my other channel, Anna's World, for all the content that is not pet related. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you may be watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!